Have you ever been in a situation where you need to make a phone call, but you don't have your phone with you? Or maybe you're traveling and you want to be able to make calls without using your data plan. If so, then Vonage is the perfect solution for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a phone to Vonage. This will allow you to make and receive calls from anywhere in the world, using any device that has an internet connection. Vonage is a cloud-based phone service that allows you to make and receive calls from anywhere in the world. You can use Vonage on your computer, smartphone, or even a landline phone. There are a number of benefits to using Vonage. One benefit is that you can keep your existing phone number. This means that you won't have to change your phone number when you switch to Vonage. Another benefit is that Vonage is very affordable. You can get a Vonage plan for as little as $19.99 per month. Step 1. Sign up for Vonage. The first step is to sign up for Vonage. You can do this online or by calling Vonage customer service. Step 2. Choose a plan. Once you've signed up for Vonage, you'll need to choose a plan. Vonage offers a variety of plans to choose from, so you can find one that fits your needs and budget. Step 3. Add a phone. Once you've chosen a plan, you can add a phone to your Vonage account. There are a few different ways to do this. You can add a phone by entering the phone's number on the Vonage website, or you can use the Vonage app. Step 4. Activate your phone. Once you've added your phone to your Vonage account, you'll need to activate it. This can be done by following the instructions that Vonage provides. Step 5. Start making calls. Once your phone is activated, you can start making calls. You can make calls from your computer, smartphone, or landline phone. Additional tips. You can use Vonage to make calls to any phone number in the world, including mobile phones, landline phones, and toll-free numbers. You can also use Vonage to send and receive text messages. Vonage offers a variety of features, such as voicemail, call forwarding, and caller ID. You can use Vonage from anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. Adding a phone to Vonage is easy and affordable. It's a great way to stay connected with friends and family, no matter where you are. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable phone service, I highly recommend Vonage. Sign up for Vonage today and start making calls from anywhere in the world. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.